the biggest issue is embracing that the rate of change and innovation is only increasing, and that if we stand still, that's actually taking a greater risk than choosing to innovate and drive change. There's going to be some of the traditional companies, some of the traditional lines are going to be disrupted. Take Lemonade, take some of the other startups. I think some of the innovations and their speed of innovation that they have based on cutting edge platforms and technologies and the internal processes they have, as opposed to dealing with some of the legacy processes that some of the bigger companies have. I think we're going to see the disruption start to chip away at some of the companies. You're going to see a wake up call in certain areas. I think gradually there's a lot more dose of reality and a sense of urgency. It has become more of a reality driving change. Fear of change is always a legitimate concern that everyone has. But I think if you look at how technology has impacted our lives just in the last few years, if I think of mobile, if I think of cloud, if I think of me ordering a cab and ordering food on my mobile phone, it's a reality, and the rate of change is only going to increase. So you can't fight it. I think it's a matter of getting comfortable with it and starting on the journey, and we've all done that personally. So it's just a matter of when are the big companies going to start to adapt that and embrace it, and to see the positive impacts of that. There's still the fundamental need that our insureds are going to have, which is the customer is always going to need protection against some unforeseen circumstance, regardless of the line. I think our insureds and brokers and also the carriers, we're looking for ways to differentiate ourselves collectively, and also there's going to be a shift towards smarter decision making, better risk management, and I think that's going to drive down some price, increase some commodity services, but also ultimately make everyone smarter on all sides of it. And I think innovation is going to be the really catalyst to push that.